The Great Blizzard of 1899, winter's unmatched fury. Imagine temperatures so cold that rivers in the south froze solid. That's exactly what happened during the Great Blizzard of 1899. From February 11th to 14th, a massive Arctic air mass plunged the United States into a frozen realm, rewriting the weather record books. This storm shattered expectations, bringing snowfall to unlikely places like Florida. Cities across the country experienced historic lows, with Tallahassee dropping to a bone-chilling 2 degrees Fahrenheit. Even the mighty Mississippi River froze in spots. The Great Blizzard of 1899 reminds us how unpredictable and powerful our weather can be. Curious about historic storms like this? Follow us for more awe-inspiring weather tales.